Wow, wow. So guys, we are done with our ring light, and I am an original owner of a ring light. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Chisom Wanganga. So feel free to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So from the title of this video, you already know what we're about to do. It's a DIY on how to make a ring light. So stay tuned and keep watching, and let's learn how to make a ring light. So guys, let me just tell you guys, the only lightning I'm using for this video is from the ring light. So stay tuned and let's see how to make a ring light. Things we'll be needing for this tutorial is carton. As you can see, I've cut mine into a circle. I'll also be needing the aluminum foil, and by the left you can see the rope lights that we'll be needing to, and the black stuff is called, I can't really remember, but I'll put the name in the description box. So from what you can see, I'm just covering the cardboard with, sorry, we call it carton here in Nigeria. I'm just covering the carton with the aluminum foil. That's all, and I'm going to cover the entire thing, the entire carton, with the aluminum foil. As you can see, I'm done covering the carton with the aluminum foil, and I'm just holding the aluminum foil in place with a transparent cellotape. Guys, please, it has to be a transparent cellotape. You can't use a colored one. It just has to be a transparent one.
Yeah.
guys, this rope light comes in a set of 20 LED lights. The guy was the one that cut it like this for me, because I explained to him what I was going to use it for, and he said I could not use the whole 20 because it was going to be too bright. So he cut out 10 for me, and he connected it to the black stuff you're seeing, which is called an adapter. This light cannot go directly to an electric source. It needs an adapter to function well. So guys, when you go to get it, try to explain to the person what you use it for, and they'll connect everything perfectly well for you. Just making sure that the light will fit perfectly well on the circle. As you can see, that's what I'm trying to do. And these lights, they come with an adhesive at the back, like will I say a sticker. So you just pull off the paper that covers the sticker and just stick them on the aluminum foil. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Just as you can see. Very easy. Just pull it off and you stick it, and that's it. Guys, we are done. We are done with our ring lights. Now we own a ring light. Wow. So guys, we are done with our ring light, and I am an original owner of a ring light. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So to my next one, I love you guys.